It will fly farther than any fighter in American history. It will strike faster than the world has ever seen. And in the shadows of tomorrow's wars, it will not fly alone. Deep inside the Pentagon, the blueprint of air dominance is being rewritten. Its centerpiece, a ghost with steel wings, a stealth predator born not just for speed or firepower, but for survival in the deadliest airspace on Earth. It is called the F-47, the world's first sixth-generation fighter jet, and it is unlike anything ever put in the sky. You are watching Global Military Database, where strategy meets firepower and the future of warfare is decoded. On July 22, 2025, US Air Force Chief of Staff General David Elwin offered the world its first official glimpse into America's most classified air combative initiative, the F-47 and its robot wingman, the Collaborative Combat Aircraft. A combat radius of over 1000 nautical miles, stealth labeled not just plus or plus plus, but stealth plus plus. A blistering speed that breaks Mach 2 and an arsenal of over 1000 loyal drones ready to swarm alongside it. This is more than just another fighter jet. This is the spearhead of a new doctrine, a future where man and machine fuse into a single lethal strike ecosystem. Designed by Boeing, the F-47 is not just a replacement for a F-22. It is a generational leap forward. Its range, more than 70% farther than the Raptor, gives it the power to penetrate deep into enemy airspace, smashing through anti-access and area denial bubbles from the Pacific to Eastern Europe. But it is not just about range, it is about staying power, persistence, the ability to control, command, and coordinate entire fleets of unmanned systems while remaining undetected. And what exactly does 1000 plus miles mean? That plus could mean 1050 or 1300. The Air Force is not saying, but make no mistake, every inch counts in skies over Taiwan or the South China Sea. Alongside, the F-47 will fly swarms of CCA's fighter drones with minds of their own, designed for sacrifice, built for battle. With a 700-mile combat radius, these stealth-enhanced drones will carry out reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and direct strikes. Two prototypes, YFQ-44A and General Atomics YFQ-42A, are set to fly by the end of the year. And while they might be subsonic today, future variants could scream past Mach 1, evolving with every mission. These are not just drones, they are the world's first autonomous wingman, armed, aware, and loyal to a human pilot flying miles away. According to the Air Force's own documents, the F-47 is expected to begin flight testing between 2025 and 2029. Initial operational capability still vague, but officials insist the F-47 will fly during this administration. Planned procurement, 185 jets, mirroring the F-22 fleet, each costing 3 times more than today's figures, and that number could rise if geopolitical pressure escalates. So why F-47? Is it just a designation or something more? According to internal emails obtained via FOIA, the name pays homage to the legendary P-47 Thunderbolt of World War II, a brute of a fighter nicknamed Juggernaut. But there is another twist. The number 47 also lines up with the current president, the 47th in the US history. A legacy reborn, a fighter reimagined, a message sent. With China racing to field its own 6th-gen platform, Russia pushing drone-loyal wingman concept, and the Indo-Pacific heating by the hour, the skies of the 2030s will not be a place for yesterday's fighters. In the battles to come, whoever flies farther, sees first, and strikes hardest wins. And the F-47, it may just be America's best bet to rule that unforgiving sky. Want more insider breakdowns on the next generation of warfare? Hit like, subscribe, and join us every week as we decode the battlefield of the future. This is Global Military Database.